Hello guys, welcome back again. Now we are going to learn how to create Obby parts, and last one, part 2, we learned how to create a kill brick. I'm sure you guys practiced it. Then next time without a tutorial we could make it. Now next we are going to make the Obby. Now making a hobby is not simple as you think, but still for this tutorial it would be simple because we are going to add like 2-3 stages, but I recommend you to make more so you would get more Robux. And we start by making the hobby parts by deleting this like this. We need to select in base plate in Explorer and delete it using backspace. And next we need to insert another part, like meaning we have to insert another we need to like a platform where people could stand on. We'll worry about checkpoints later. We make one of this. If you want, you guys can follow mine. I have a pretty cool thing in my mind. Now first we insert a part and we take this part, we'll use this. Now what this part we are going to use is going to make like a platform. Now making this as a platform, you move it with your move tool and make sure it is perfectly aligned at the center. It is aligned, and then you resize it. Use the scale tool, and if you want it uniformly, scale it uniformly, you hold Alt and then you scale it. Then it will scale all the sides equally. Now you see this part is a bit bigger, which we exactly wanted it. Now let's move down because it's sticking out a bit. We need it to be like matching the same level as possible. And yeah, and if you guys want this, you can add this, but I'm adding it to make it to look cartoony and fancy. To make this spawn location bit cartoony and fancy, you press this. Okay, you select it in here or here, and then you press the plus button and you search for highlight, which is this one, highlight, and you put fill color, fill transparency to 1, and then you put outline and you change the outline color to black. Press OK. Now it has a black color outline which you can see through this. If you don't want, you can remove it, but for this hobby I'll make it. It looks very fancy kind of. I don't know how to explain, but now we'll continue with the hobby. Now next we have to scale it more bigger, but this time no need to do uniform scale. We need to make it this bit larger and also a longer, like a rectangular piece like this. And you got a platform. Make sure it's anchored, and then we might need more space, but it's okay. Next we're going to make like a door, or we can say it is like a portal kind of. For that we need like 4 parts we need for it, and we insert one. Let's give it as a black one, or here brick color, and you put, let's give black. So and then we'll make it smaller like this, like it look like it's in a rod shape. Now we extend this up. to make it more like even, like if you want to select multiple things, you press hold shift and then you select. That's one thing. And then yep, now we got this. Next we are going to duplicate it. You press Ctrl D to duplicate, and then you use the move tool to move. Yep, now you guys can see it's moved, but now we have to rotate this like this shape, like a 90-degree. I'm good with doing those. Yeah, 90-degree. We got a 90-degree one. Now we need to move this down. Let's move this thing down. Let's move it like this. And like this. Don't know. Let's undo that and then we move like this. Something like that. Maybe that's too big. Let's move slightly like this. Yeah, you guys can make like this. And basically we're going to make like a hallway having doors. Now we will extend this part over here, and then we'll extend it a bit longer, and then we'll copy this part, Ctrl D, and then we'll move it to the move tool like this, and we got like a door shape kind of. We need to make it like this much big. Let's make it this much big, and we'll rescale it again. What happened? Oh my god, I pressed the wrong button. Yep. Now you select this and then we'll rescale it again. Like this. If it's perfect, then it will be nice. It's kind of perfect, just one pixel out. Does it look perfect? It looks funny. And then you extend this and you got a big dot. Now you duplicate this part again, Ctrl D to duplicate, and then move with the move tool. Now you press and you keep this at the middle. Now we got this thing. Now we need to insert another part. And this part is like the portalish block, you can say. Let's scale it to the smallest as possible. Yeah, that much will be fine. It's okay, no need to go even smaller. And then let's rescale it over here. And let's move up. And then let's anchor them all. I forgot that step. Let's anchor all of them. Those other things are anchored. And then let's take this and then we will duplicate it. Maybe not now. We change its color. Let's change its color. Like how about we change the color to maybe green. Let's take green. Yeah, green and purple will be nice. Let's take green. This will be the green. And let's make it bit. Let's select this and then selected that, and let's make it bit transparent, like you can put 0.5, so it's like half transparent. That's what we need. And then we have to make it like uh, this. We have to make it like you can collide with it, like collision. You have to turn off collision, and here can collide. No, you can't collide. I don't know what a scan touch then can do, but it's okay. You can't collide with it. You would pass through it, and then we'll do the same thing. You put Control D, and then you move like this. But this time we'll change its color to like purplish, yeah, like that one. But for this time we are going to take the kill brick script. We're going to write a kill brick script. So we'll select the kill brick, and we'll copy the script from it, and then Control C to copy, and then you can cut this, and then we copied it. Now we have to select between these two doors. One door would kill the player. So between these two doors, I would select the green one. We'll select the green one, and then we need to insert a script to it. We'll insert the script. We'll sit there. This is the green door, and then we can insert a script, and in that script you delete everything, and you rename this. Because that's important. Kill brick, capital K, small letter I, small letter double L, and then capital B, and then small letter R, and then small letter I, and small letter C, and small letter K. So we rename this especially as kill brick, and you paste this code in it. So this code would work if the object name is kill brick. So you paste it, and then it works. If you guys don't want to rename your path kill brick all the time, then wherever you see written as kill brick, you change it into whatever name it's your part is. Capitalization matters, so yep, and then you close out of the script. So now green door is dangerous, but this door isn't dangerous. So if you like that, you can copy all of them, and then you can make a pattern with it. You copy all, like shift, and then you can select, and you got, and the Control D to copy, and then you move with the move tool. Maybe I forgot to select one part. Let's Control Z, and then shift this one, this one, this one, and then this one, and this one. Then Control D to copy. Then we can move. Yeah, we got it. You can change the pattern if you want. Like you see this, right? You can change. You can take this kill brick, and then you can move to the purple area. Like you can take this out, and then you can make this thing to go back in its position, and then you can make this to go here, and then you can recolor them. So here it's magenta, we will give it green, and here we'll give it as magenta. So over here magenta. So now if you test them, let's test them, but before that let's double check if all of them are anchored. let's select all of this. Then we press anchor, so it will be anchored, and then let's test them. And we are loading it. I guess I pressed the wrong button. Let wait, guys. Just a minute. Yeah, I should have double clicked it. But I'll do anchor test 2, and we are in. You can see this is Kill Killbrick works, and we copied the same code over here. So this thing should also work. Now purple is safe, so we can go in, but this is not. So we can't go in. So we go here, and then we can try that it's again, but magenta, it's not. So this course works. This is basically all luckily changed, like chance. But you can make other hobby parts. This is one example that is useful with the kill brick. But yeah, it works for me. And we have made one of the hobby parts. If you guys, you can repeat this process over and over again, and then you can make at least one hobby part. And then I guess that's all for now. And let's end it off with the learning objective. We will try making your own hobby parts, which is simple, like it does not include any script, and you you can practice with this. If you want, you can include script. It's your wish. You can do whatever you want. But for part 4, we are going to come with the checkpoints and leader stat script. And thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed or learned something new from this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.